What is FishBase? FishBase is a premier global biodiversity information system on finfishes. It is publicly available online, and free to access. It is available through 9 mirror sites and in over 20 languages. And it receives around 700,000 visits per month. At present, FishBase covers over 35,000 fish species, compiled from about 60,000 references. It also features almost 328,000 common names and nearly 64,000 pictures. The database has around 2,500 collaborators. What is SeaLifeBase? SeaLifeBase is a global online information system on all marine species in the world, apart from finfish. Like FishBase, it is publicly available online, and free to access. It is available through 3 mirror sites in over 20 languages, and garners around 500,000 visits a month. SeaLifeBase currently covers nearly 71,000 species, compiled from over 39,000 references, and is in partnership with about 350 collaborators. The database contains almost 60,000 common names and 15,600 pictures. FishBase and SeaLifeBase both offer online information with full source attribution, data for ecological and ecosystem-based models, standardized data for interoperability and tools, and serve as a resource for education and capacity building. Quantitative Aquatics, or Q-Quatics, is the home of FishBase and SeaLifeBase. Q-Quatics is a non-profit organization based in the Philippines. It is part of the FishBase Consortium, which is composed of 13 highly reputed academic and research organizations across 5 continents. The FishBase Consortium provides scientific and technical guidance to ensure that FishBase and SeaLifeBase remain current and relevant with evolving issues on biodiversity, environmental recovery and protection, sustainable development, fisheries management, and climate change. In over 30 years of continuous operation and development, FishBase has become one of the largest and most extensively accessed online public resources in the history of scientific research, and is in the top 1% of all cited items published in this century and the previous century. A new study that measured the scientific impact of FishBase reveals it is also one of the most highly cited databases. According to the citation analysis, FishBase has received over 10,000 citations from hundreds of peer-reviewed journals in Scopus from 1994 to 2020. While Google Scholar attributed nearly 15,000 total citations to FishBase for the same period, with an average of over 1,200 citations per year from 2017 to 2021. FishBase and SeaLifeBase are widely used throughout the world. Regions that use FishBase and SeaLifeBase the most are Europe, the United States, Brazil, and Australia. Both of these species information systems are also indispensable resources for developing countries. As the leading providers of freely accessible online global aquatic biodiversity information, encompassing both fish and non-fish species, FishBase and SeaLifeBase have received acknowledgments and honors from various entities. FishBase has received the ISI Current Web Content Award and the Study Sphere Award of Excellence. In 2004, FishBase received both the Study Web Academic Excellence Award and the CGIAR Science Award for Outstanding Scientific Support Team. While SeaLifeBase was commended in Linksgiving.com's Weekly Link Award Hall of Fame 2008. In 2017, the Fisheries Society of the British Isles bestowed the Lacren Medal, which recognizes the lifelong contributions made by the FishBase Consortium and the entire FishBase team to the field of fish biology and fisheries science, with a focus on conservation, training, or public understanding of the discipline. FishBase and SeaLifeBase share these awards with their partners, collaborators, and supporters.